Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Saguaro order. Okay, Saguaro shoes order. So if you have purchased any shoes on this platform and you want to cancel your order, so you can see there is only one method to cancel your order, that is like you need to open any browser and you need to type like cancel Saguaro order, and once you get first one result you need to click on first one result, and over here you can see you can cancel your order within 24 hours of purchase and you will get your full refund. If you are going to cancel your you can say like order after 24 hours, then or you can say like when the status is like already shipped, then you are not able to cancel. Okay, and you can see to cancel your order, please send an help topic. You can say like add contact us at the rate, you can say like on this button you need to click on this button, like you can see contact us. When you click on contact us, it will redirect to a new window. On this window you need to provide your name, you need to provide your phone number, which is your registered phone number, you need to provide your registered email ID, and on this email address you need to provide these kind of information. The information I want to show you, I want to request to cancel a purchase of order number this, and you need to provide each and every information regarding this. You can compose a message related to this message. You can see the example of message. You need to write these things in this message box, and you need to click on submit. Okay, and once you click on submit, your message will gone and they will contact you very soon and they will cancel your order and you will get confirmation email. Okay, and if this method will not work, maybe like if this method will not work, you will not get reply from their side, then you can use this email service@saguaro.com. you can compose this email in your mailbox and you can send this mail at this mail address service@saguaro.com, and once you need to ask a proof of cancellation in your you can say like mail, and once you receive a cancellation email, then they will refund your money. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your order on Saguaro. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.